And welcome. So I'm in my superhero Critic outfit because I just recorded a bunch of visuals for a couple of reviews, but we're gonna take a snack break. Because I've mentioned it many a time on here, and I've tried many food items from there. But I am a huge fan of fast food restaurant Wendy's. And a couple months ago, we did the video on Wendy's Baconator Pringles. I think it was last year. I can't remember. I do so many of these videos. Anyway, we are going to try the Wendy's Spicy Chicken Pringles. When I heard these get announced, I was so ecstatic because for those who have watched my channel and know my diet, I have been a huge fan of spicy chicken sandwiches for a long ass time. I eat spicy chicken a lot. And Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich is one of my favorite go-tos for chicken sandwiches. So I'm really hoping these are good. So they don't really have any like distinct flavorings. They're just lightly powdered, but they don't taste too much like the sandwich. But there is the kick of spice, and there is the chicken flavor. But I was hoping for something stronger. Like, I don't really taste the mayonnaise, the lettuce, the tomato, so it might just taste like the chicken patty itself. They're not bad, but they don't scream chicken sandwich to me. Like, they taste like chicken, but it doesn't taste like Wendy's. I mean, I guess I'll use the code for my free Wendy's sandwich, but I think my expectations were a little too high. They're not bad chips. They're really good. They're just not as good as I was hoping them to be. But yeah, if you get one, you'll get a code for a free chicken sandwich. If you use the app, I will 100% do that. But yeah, I got these at Walgreens. They're something to try. They're just not as good as I hoped they would be. So try them if you want them, but there's been better Pringles. There's been better Wendy's. That being said, thank you for watching.